Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you a quick tip on how to improve the security on the door of your house. This strike plate is held onto this 3/4 inch thick door jamb with just 3/4 inch screws. So someone wants to come and break into my house, they only have to kick the door hard enough to rip these screws out of this 3/4 inch door jamb. To add some longer, in this case, they're going to be some drywall screws we have here. And we're going to put in some 2.5 inch drywall screws. Ooh, did you see that drawing? These are going to go into the 2x4 behind the door jamb. Now someone goes to kick in my door, they're going to have to rip these screws out of the 2x4 and the door jamb before this strike plate's going to fail and allow them entry in my house. There it is. 2 screws. I probably quadrupled the security of my house, and I tightened up the strike plate at the same time. Just a quick security trick from MrHardware.com.